Hey everybody, I built a Lazy Susan. I'm not really going to be using it for this, but I wanted to try it out anyhow and see what it was like and show you what I did. I cut out another silicone mat to fit this. This was that giant pour I did a week or two ago. And on the opposite side, I put a round to make it a little taller, and then I had a Lazy Susan part from an IKEA Lazy Susan. So I put it all together, and this is what I got. And I've seen people do way cool spinny things, and just that little bit made me kind of want to puke. So I don't think I will be doing too much with movement. And really I just built this. I was watching TV last night, and in the middle of watching TV, I was like, ooh, that round is down there. I'm not using it. I should build a Lazy Susan. So I immediately stopped watching TV, came down here, built the Lazy Susan, and went back upstairs. So that's the story of the Lazy Susan. I'm actually going to do a mallet smash. I've got a 6x12 canvas. It's holding it up with thumbtacks. I've got my white paint, which is Artist Loft titanium white. The lid is totally stuck on here. And it's mixed with Floetrol and water. I'm pretty much completely done with playing around with pouring medium, unless it is the ARTEZA pouring medium containers, and that's all I'm using in the pour. I am done trying to mix. I'm done playing around with them. I don't like them. I like my Floetrol and water, so if it's not broke, why fix it? So that was a short-lived experiment, but I learned a lot. I learned again that I don't like pouring medium. That black painting is, oh, I need my torch, hang on. I was using my torch for resin, so it was on the floor. That painting is like so creepy. It looks like it could be in a horror movie. I mean, it's totally Freddy Krueger looking. It's gross. That was ARTEZA Carmine Red. This is ARTEZA Lemon Yellow. I still love the ARTEZA paints. Love, love, love. I just love when I mix them with just Floetrol and water. So, and I love their pouring acrylics when they are by themselves. Now I've got ARTEZA Phthalo Blue. Beautiful color. This is the color that saved a painting about a week ago. But I cannot get the lid off. There we go. Okay, I just want to see if it does move if I spin. No. Oh my God, that makes me so nauseous. Way different pattern than usual. I don't know if it's because It's on the 4 thumbtacks that it kind of changed the balance of it, because when I hit here, I hit where one of the thumbtacks was. So it didn't bounce like a canvas does. I really like this, and I don't think I'm going to tilt it. These low spots should fill in. They always do. Knock on plastic. I may actually tilt this part off, like a little bit, if I can. No, it's not gonna. So I'm just gonna leave it. But this, I don't like how that looks now that well, that was one way to disperse the paint, wasn't it? That made a really pretty ribbon, actually. Perfect. Love it. Love it, actually. Love it, love it, love it. Check it out. That is what I'm talking about. Love it. Definitely will not let it dry on this Lazy Susan, because the Lazy Susan is not even. So I love it. Look at that, and oh my gosh. Super, super happy with this one. Really, really loving it. And I'll show you, those spots should fill in, that one and that. So thanks again for watching. I appreciate it, and have a wonderful day. Bye.